Kajingon the vote ki brio ha ki election shiteng samoy ha baro laitli ki constituency kata ha mau plang mauring keneng bat raja bala kalapoi kelum shaka prapho 0.9% hado kasan bejejan med chief electoral officer ba Frederick Harkungor ulai thu agla pthai khubor ba gajet ha vote kala yai be jai jai de ka vote ranti ru ki kindon ya dano COVID-19
as per the 5 p.m. report, the polling percentage stands at 74.69 for Marung Kneng, 75.97 for Mauplang, and 90.63 for Rajabala. Of course, we are still waiting for the information from a few of the polling stations in East Khasi Hills district. I'm covering both. Covering both Mauplang as well as Marung Kneng. During the polls, we saw a good and enthusiastic participation from both the senior citizens, the middle-aged, and also the first-time voters. In fact, some of the first-time voters also received the first-time voter certificates.
Ulai thuru bakladon ke jingthut hakin riutli ki machine thap vote lani ki vpad artli hamau plang kawai hamau keneng bat lai tli haraja bala bala bujri ru ma dore ki.
Coming to the machines, we had very negligible malfunction. Only 6 VVPATs had to be changed. 3 in East Khasi Hills district and 3 in Rajabala. So 2 in Mauplang and 1 in Marung Kneng. So almost a very negligible rate of machine malfunction this time. And this time we have used the M3 variety of the EVMs, and the machines that were changed also and that were malfunctioning were the VVPATs, not the CU and the BU. Wherever there was a malfunction, the quick response team was there to get those machines changed.
Kajingyo ki vote kan long ka artrik unai wing aja arpoi hajen stadium hashulong bar hajan SME LC center hatura nadu ka prabajimin step.